Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. If you are looking for evidence that on how the All Progressive Congress destroyed the economy of Nigeria and rendered the Naira literally worthless or made it the worst performing currency in the world, the Central Bank of Nigeria has given it to you on a platter of gold. Many of us have been saying it, that APC is the worst thing to have ever happened to Nigerian economy. Now we have proof to justify our assertion that indeed the Naira was destroyed by the All Progressive Congress administration in the last 8.5 years that they have been in power. Now, this evidence that to confirm it is coming from a very reliable quarters. And that reliable quarters is the Central Bank of Nigeria. And you don't get any authority higher than the Central Bank of Nigeria to give you verdict on an issue of this strategic importance. Now, before I go further on this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, appearing before the House of Representatives, the governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, Olayemi Cardoso, said that the reason why the Naira is at this present position that it is because Nigerians are spending a lot of money on foreign education, healthcare, and personal travel abroad, in which the country has spent $98 billion in 10 years. According to him, Nigerians are spending on foreign education, healthcare, and personal costs. In 10 years, they spent $98 billion. This is according to the Central Bank of Nigeria. Now, he made this disclosure when he appeared before the House of Representatives to give explanation on the dwindling state of the Naira, because the Central Bank of Nigeria is battling with how to manage the foreign exchange market as a result of scarcity of dollars. Now, he said the reason why dollar is scarce, the reason why the Naira is low, the reason why Naira is the worst performing currency in the world is because in the last 10 years, Nigerians have spent $98 billion, took it away from this country to outside Nigeria in pursuit of foreign education, foreign medicals, and personal travels. Now, if you do your mathematics, you know your arithmetic very well. In the last 10 years, it means that in the 9 years out of these 10 years, the All Progressive Congress were in charge of Nigeria and not the PDP. It therefore means that it is under the APC that this $98 billion left Nigeria. And who are the people that made it to leave Nigeria? These are APC leaders. They are the ones that went on medicals more than ever before. For example, Nigeria did not spend any medicals, to my knowledge, on treating Obasanjo. Obasanjo never traveled for medical treatment abroad as president for 8 years. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan never traveled for medicals. The only PDP leader president that traveled was Umar Musa Yar'Adua. But Umar Musa Yar'Adua soon could not have been added to this figure they are talking about. So those who bear the brunt, who spent these billions of dollars for medicals, must include President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It must include former President Muhammad Buhari, who was literally on medical tourism continuously throughout his administration. And then the leaders of the APC, their governors, their ministers, their commissioners, and what have you. Because they are the ones that were in control of most of the states of Nigeria, most of the instruments of power in Nigeria. So they must be the ones that generated this 98 billion that left Nigeria, and they are responsible for the state of the Naira. So if anybody is in doubt that the APC ran the Nigerian economy, this is the clearest evidence. Data from the Central Bank of Nigeria, as revealed by the Central Bank Governor Cardoso. So this is a clear evidence that APC is the party and the government that destroyed the Naira and made it literally the worst currency in the world. And right now, they appear helpless. Right now, they appear helpless on what to do about the state of the Naira. But if you are looking for culprits about the state of the Naira, look no further than the direction that the Central Bank of Nigeria has revealed in this statement. The APC put the Naira in this present situation. They are the ones that put our economy in this very dire strait that it is by their corruption, because this 98 billion, part of it must have been frittered away through unnecessary foreign travels and what have you, unnecessary medicals, unnecessary quest for education. Because the average Nigerian, how much is the salary of the average Nigerian that he would think of having his children getting education abroad? Most of those who are getting education abroad, these are children of politicians, children of ministers, governors, presidents. That's the one that spent this money. That's the one that put this country in this economic mess. That's a fact. That is the fact on the ground. So thank you, the Central Bank Governor, for making it clear now for the doubting Thomases to know that indeed the APC destroyed the Naira. Because just look at the state of the Naira when APC came in 2015 to what it is today. You have no doubt that the APC is the problem of Nigeria. APC is the reason why Nigerians are hungry. Look no further. Do not go about arguing that it was the opposition that are sponsoring those who are hungry. Those who are hungry because APC has made this country the poverty capital of the world and the center of hunger in the world. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.